Hello from Slovenia again. I have to. Oh, better. I hope. Just a second that I check my background, black for my background. I will do a black and white reverse flower dip again, but today I will do it a little differently. I will use black and titanium white, and I mixed Vallejo pearl medium with my pouring medium only, without white. And I will layer paints like black, pearl medium, white and pearl medium again, and black. So I will talk about it while I will do it. So I will just spin this just to spread my paint on the canvas evenly, hopefully. I will do sides later. Just want to have my canvas covered here, and I can do my side later. I normally tilt this and not spin, just do the corners here. I have to put this a little towards the middle, and I will have to turn one of my lights off because it just, you have a glare into this. Let's see if this is okay. Yes, just another quick spin. So for those who are new to my channel and maybe watch this for the first time, this base is mixed with pouring medium too. You can check my mixing paints video. I have a link in the description box, so you can check it there. I will pop up the air bubbles and try to find, and I have a hair here. Okay, approximately a middle. Just approximately. And I will put down my flower-shaped cup. So here I have titanium white, and here is Vallejo pearl medium mixed with my pouring medium, and here is my black. So as I said, I will pour this pearl medium and titanium white next, and pearl medium again, and here comes the black and black. we will see what will happen. And pearl medium again, and titanium white. So I'm adding less pearl medium than titanium and black, so just for lacing, I hope. And black again, whoops. And pearl medium, so I will just repeat this process till I think that it will be enough. I have a private lesson today with a talented young lady, Imogen, from Great Britain, from UK. It was so much fun because she's so talented, and it's so nice to see a girl at her age do this acrylic pouring and playing with paint and consistencies and techniques. She's really talented. So if you are watching this, Imogen, I was really impressed by your work and how you prepared on the classes, because she has questions prepared and she has everything ready, and she was really great student. So I really have nice time with her, and her flower looks exactly like mine, so I was really impressed. Okay, maybe one more layer, and then I will turn my cup, switch, turn, switch. Sometimes you know that I don't know the real right word, but you know what I mean, so I hope so. Okay. And I will grab my skewer and do these lines. Okay, let's switch this. And do some more of this. I don't know, I don't see much lacing. I hope that I will get some. Otherwise it will be just gray. I hope not. And black. And pearl again. And the white again. pearl again. And black. I will do one more layer. Row, not a layer. It's a row probably. And black, and it will be all. Okay. I will spray my paper napkin with water while I'm waiting for this part to, that paint will flow off the cup. And then we will see. I'm just hoping that I will not get a big gray blob of paint here. Let's do this. Okay. Let's put down the napkin. And another half. Oops. Kind of getting some air pockets underneath that I don't want. I hope that I didn't ruin the pattern with this. So just checking if my napkin touches the paint. This is all that I want to know. And the moment of truth. Let's see what will happen with this. A lot of gray. I didn't, oops, want that, so terrible job with lifting. Terrible, terrible, terrible. So I will do this just because I really didn't leave this okay. Just have to go over the side here too. I don't like these two parts, but the middle is beautiful, I think. Just have to add a little paint here, and then I will do a little spin again, because how should I do this the other way? Okay, and I will leave it now. I have a lot of paint here. I'll just scrape this off, because it will still flow over the edges. So and I really like that I get more white. I managed to spin this gray part off, so probably less rose. Just something here that bothers me a little bit. But otherwise I'm really happy, because I have these white spots that are white, and I think that it will dry nice too. You see, my black has kind of a blue undertone. This Bessner black, you see. On these lights it looks almost that it's dark blue, but it's not. And because of this pearl medium, because this is not white, you see, pearl medium did this kind of a fog and lacing on top of black, and I still have white. But if I will try this again, I will definitely do less rows of a color, because I think that I had just too much. But I like this a lot. Tell me what you think. Do you think that this just pearl medium black and white instead of black and pearl white only makes a difference? I think that it does, because I get a different effects, and I don't know if you can see the sides. Get some lacing on the sides too, you see. So it's really nice looking painting. I like it a lot. So I'm happy. Please tell me what you think. Did this one turned out different for your taste? And see you on the next one. Bye.